Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a government internship which is offered by Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. If you are interested to know about trade, logistics or supply chain operations, then this internship will definitely help you gain experience. The name of this program is Flexi Internship Programme. The Center for Trade Facilitation and Logistics of IIF are providing this opportunity for all the students. This center is very much involved in the research area which involves various aspects in logistics landscape. They also carry practical oriented applied research and desk based research on different issues pertaining to logistics. So let us know what is the eligibility criteria for this. As we can see on the screen, this opportunity is clearly for all the students out there who have their degree in undergraduate or also completed their graduation of any stream. They have also mentioned that candidates from other academic disciplines are also encouraged to apply if you are interested in this area. The duration of this internship is 3 to 6 months. They have not mentioned that exactly, but it is going to be at least for 3 months. While being a part of this program, they will get exposure to trade, logistics and supply chain operations. And also it is your wish that if you want to be a full-time or a part-time intern. Your day-to-day responsibilities when you are intern for this program is that you have to carry out desk research and compile reports and assist ongoing research work. On the successful completion of this internship, you will also receive a certificate of internship which is issued by CTFL. Also, you will be getting a stipend of maximum 10,000 rupees, which will depend purely on your qualifications, experience, and the duration, like about how many months you are going to serve as intern for them. We can also see here that they have given a note that selected candidates will have to join immediately. If you are interested to apply for this internship, you can click on the link here and you just have to fill up all the details and click on proceed. After successfully submitting your form, you will be notified through your registered email if you have been shortlisted for the first round. And all the rest of the procedure to get selected as intern for this program will be notified to you through your registered email address only. So make sure that you're registering with your proper and active email ID. Here we can see that only shortlisted applicants shall be intimated. So if you do not get any response from them, so you can just simply think that you may not be shortlisted for this program. I hope you all utilize this opportunity. If you find this video informative, hit the like button and also share it with your friends to whom this will be useful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to receive updates like these from my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.